Have you ever considered your DNA while planning your next trip to the beach? My guess is that you have, and you just didn't know it. DNA is vital to life. It carries the information that tells all of our cells what to do. Without DNA, we couldn't survive. Unfortunately, there are so many things in our environment that damage our DNA. The water we drink, the oxygen we breathe, even the sun on our skin can cause breaks or changes to our DNA. Yes, even the sun damages our DNA. DNA absorbs UV light. That's the light that comes from the sun, and that causes intrastrand crosslinks between two thymines. This is what undamaged DNA looks like. An intrastrand crosslink is when two base pairs that are next to each other improperly bond, like this. An intrastrand crosslink is dangerous because it blocks DNA replication and transcription. This means your cells can't make new cells, so your body would die faster. Most living organisms have an enzyme called photolyase that directly fixes the damage caused by the sun to the DNA. In mammals, there isn't photolyase because their fur and hair protects them from the sun. This is why us humans need sunscreen. We don't have photolyase to fix the damage, and we don't have fur to protect us in the first place, so we need this. But what happens when we are exposed to UV light? Our bodies fix this type of damage through nucleotide excision repair, which is where the stretch of damaged DNA is cut out completely and replaced with new, undamaged DNA. Sadly, nucleotide excision repair doesn't work all the time, and when it fails, the damage left behind can lead to cancer. This is why we need to wear sunscreen. So next time you're at the beach and you're bringing your sunscreen, think about your DNA. Really, when you're doing anything, think about your DNA and how it might be affected. But why should you really care about DNA? Well, if you're taking a marketing job at a big sunscreen company, then protecting your DNA is a pretty good selling point. Besides that, DNA is like the instruction manual for all of life. Understanding DNA is vital to understanding the body and its functions. There's still so much that we don't know about the human genome. That's like the information that's written in your DNA. We don't know so much still. It's like translating a language. We know what the DNA says, we just don't know what it means yet. Understanding DNA is important because the more we know, the more we can further the field of medicine, and the more people we can help who are suffering from illness. This is why I care about DNA. Someday, I want to be a doctor. I want to help people live long and happy lives, and if I'm going to help them be healthy, then I need to understand DNA. That's why right now I'm studying neuroscience and building up my application to apply to medical school. I love learning about DNA. Seriously, it's the coolest thing ever. I just can't believe that something so tiny tells everything in our body what to do. DNA is just amazing, and I really believe that we should take time out of our day to be grateful for our DNA because it does so much for us. It keeps us alive and happy, and I'm grateful for my DNA, and I know that that sounds silly, but I really am. I am excited to learn more about DNA and to share with others what I know. And that's everything. Thank you so much for watching.